So excellent rally, right? So HDFC Bank alone has rallied more than 10% and HDFC has rallied more than 8 or 8.5%. And you know the news. The news is that HDFC and HDFC Bank is going to be merging, and it is going to be one of the biggest listed companies in NSE or Indian stock market. So that's a good news, and market got this, and we rallied almost, I think Bank Nifty alone rallied more than 1500 points after it gapped up. So it gapped up around how much? Let us check the Bank Nifty chart. Yeah. If you see here, yesterday was a good performance. In spite of that, yesterday's close was 37,148 and today's open is around 37,842. Yesterday's close was around 37,148 and today's open is 37,800. So around 300-400 points gap up. And Nifty also gapped up around yesterday's close was somewhere around 17,670 and today we gapped up around 17,800. So 17,800. In spite, after gapping up 100 or 200 points, we rallied more than 200 points. I'm talking about Nifty, and purely this is happening because of HDFC Bank and HDFC. If you take out HDFC Bank and HDFC, there is nothing. Literally, we should be in flat. We should have traded flat today, but things are good, right? Things happen like this. Market react like this. We are people who overreact for all this scenario, for whatever happens around us. We are the people who overreact. If there is any bad news, we overreact. If there is any good news, we overreact. So tomorrow, what do you think is going to happen? Market is going to come down, or whatever there will be profit booking tomorrow. Whatever we have gone, maybe 100 or 200 points, it is going to come tomorrow. So 18,000, even though market is at 18,060, 18,060 or 70 levels, it has closed above 18,060 or 70 levels. I believe that 18,000 is going to be a stiff resistance, and bulls will find it very hard to take the market to maybe 18,500 or 18,600. And also there is a trend line formation. If you can observe this, let me show you. Yeah, I've told this in our previous video also, that there is a formation of trend in this area. Yeah, so yeah, around this, yes, sorry, yeah, around this area. So this can act as a trend line going forward, right? Now we have been here, so let's, yeah, kind of trend line now. Now, will this act as a trend, or will this go to 18,000? Anyway, only 400 or 500 points for all-time high, which is around 18,600, which we touched on October. Now we are again on March. 6 months after 6 months, we are still around 18,000 plus, and we might touch 18,600. Who knows? And Bank Nifty also, I don't want to talk about Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty sometimes behave irrationally. So yeah, here also kind of trend pattern there is a formation of trend pattern here also. So let's see tomorrow if this trend is being broken or not. We'll have to wait and see. And open interest also suggests there is aggressive call writing. So aggressive call writing both in Nifty and aggressive put writing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll have to wait, and even global cues are positive. And if you see here, HDFC Bank alone has performed around 10.07%. Housing Development Finance Corporation, 9.45%. Adani, HDFC Life 4.4%, Kotak Insurance. So it seems all the Adani group stock has rallied highly because of this merger news. So as I told you, don't don't go long in the market now. This is not the right time to go long in the market. market is rallying for the last 2-3 days. Even if it gaps up tomorrow, there is a probability of market reversing tomorrow. So everybody will try to book profit tomorrow if the market opens on a gap up basis. Let us say it opens flat and it goes gradually on the upside, means maybe maybe there is even more longs in people are building longs in HDFC and HDFC Life or HDFC stocks. If tomorrow if it gap ups around 18,100 or 18,200, then we will see market reversing, and as I told you, that is a very important trend line around 18,000 levels. So we'll have to see how things pan out when it comes to US markets also, and US markets also seems to be really flat, and Europe is also flat today. And when it comes to open interest, as I told you, open interest is there is literally no call writing at all in open interest. People are writing aggressive calls both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and 18,000, as I told you, 18,000 call is having the highest open interest. Whether if it is going to be taken out tomorrow or not, we really don't know, right? Hopefully it should be sustaining 18,000. That's what I think. Yeah. So 18,000 here, 18,000 short straddle. People were writing 18,000 short straddle, and still people are writing 18,000 short straddle. 18,100, 18,200. So next resistance is seen at around 18,500, where highest open interest is seen. Then on the downside, 17,500, 17,000. This 18,000, whether it is going to act as a resistance or support, we will have to see tomorrow. If market keeps on moves on the upside tomorrow, maybe this 18,000 will act as a resistance. But I can tell you that tomorrow, even if the market gaps up, there will be a profit booking, and markets are likely to come on downside. That is what I am expecting. And when it comes to banking stock, Bank Nifty Bank, again aggressive put writing, and 39,000 we can expect. 39,000 should act as a super resistance, and 38,000 as a super support, right? So as I told you, don't jump into the trade. Already it's been 3 days, more than 3 days of excellent rally in Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is not the right time to go long in the market. If 18,600 or 18,000, even 18,500 is taken out, and if you are able to sustain, if the markets are able to sustain above 18,500, then we can go long in Nifty. Otherwise, it is not a good idea to go long in Nifty. So wait for some corrections. As I told you, it's been 2 or 3 days. Markets are rallying extensively. So wait for some correction. Then also there is a trend line in this area. So wait for some corrections or indications where the market shows what is going to happen. Then you can go long or short in the market, right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.